Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risk together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market. Yo, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. I'm back again with another awesome Volatility 75 index weekly signals analysis. I've received a lot of requests from other people. With respect to giving them signals on Volatility 75 index. It's one of my major fear I trade, one of my special fear I trade. You can also, if you want to learn how to trade Volatility 75 index with hundreds of free strategies that will always guide you, keep you consistent to the market, kindly check the description on this video. You have a very good playlist that can be able to give you some good insight on what we discuss here in Adnan Global Access Forex. And this strategy is called Volatility 75 Index Magic Strategy. This magic strategy trade Volatility 75 Index very well, and you can be able to see our running trade with the current strategy. So you can see. So for those that want this strategy, kindly contact me. I contact my support manager. But now let's continue our weekly analysis. So you can see we have been taking this trade. These two trades was given with our BFE group, and these other two trades have been running for some times now. So let's check our weekly time frame. Okay, let's outline our highs for the week and our lows for our previous week. Here. And this one. And also this one. Let's see this look. So you see, now we are going to see market is heading towards this area. So definitely I'll put my stop loss here. For this first trade, I'll put my stop loss here. 75, 90, 91. So that if market push off here and just retest down, it will not hit it. Then for this second one, I'll put the stop loss above this. I'll put the stop loss at the same level. The stop loss at the same level, because I'm anticipating market just pushed up now. Market go up here. Market go up here, come down here at this point, then it started to retrace up here. So definitely it will either come down or retrace this area here. Here and continue going down, or just hang on to this area here. Then we have another highs here, we have lower high. So definitely market may bounce off from here and continue going down. So possibly the market might just continue going down, going off here till it reached this area and started rejecting. And that's why I said I'm going to put my stop loss at this level. So that you know where is my previous highs is here. If market breaks above these highs, back upward movement. But for now, I'm going to just watch on this area. I'm waiting for market to come to this level. This level, go here and retest downward. Then if it not retest coming downwards, then definitely this market break this highs, then it will target these highs, which is where my entry is, and that's why I don't want to close or lost. If I close the first, I think I might, for now I might even close the second trade. Let me just allow the first trade run. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let me close this. Always try to make sure you have upper hand against the market. Always make sure to have upper hands against the market. Some people think you can just add to a losing trade. You don't add to a losing trade. You only add to what? To a winning trade. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So you see, so for now, we are waiting for the market to come back to this area before we think of what we'll do next. If market come back to this area, wait. If we see rejection, the market is heading back to this level. So market will continue to consolidate here till market break out of these areas. That's when the market will continue its move. And this is a daily chart. This will take like a week before market does that. So you can see, if you mark, let's mark these lows. So you see, market is here, market is here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So market is just hanging here. Another 1, 3 here, 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 and no, sorry. Market just break down. Let me show you how the structure was. Market just break down below this low, and market come down here, retest this area, come and touch here, go back up here, go here, go back up to retest these highs, and then market started to consolidate back to this level. So now definitely, based on some analysis market, or based on range trade market analysis, you can go, market may likely come back to this level and react. So possibly it might break it off forward, because the trend is off trend, because this is our previous swing low, and this is our next low. So definitely, since market did not even go and touch our previous swing low, we're anticipating that market will be going off higher. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.